Hello everyone, I'm Ritik Mishra. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we'll be discussing a few HR courses that I think you should do before joining your B school. I've kept in mind that these courses are not too lengthy, so let's directly dive in. So the first course that I want you to do is on recruitment and selection, which is provided by the Open University. The best part about it is free of cost. It has 12 hours of course content. I really liked it because it has descriptive content on recruitment and selection, person job fit or organization fit, specifying job and person requirement. Like let us look, it has job analysis, organizational analysis, person specification, attraction of applicants, a good to go course, and I think it is a must do. My second recommendation is HR Analytics provided by Udemy for rupees 499. I think the course content is good. It is of about 9.5 hours of on-demand video. I really like that it had essential HR analytics detail, which were HR metrics, a case study for HR metrics. It has dashboarding and chart making, which I think are essential skills when one moves into a B school. I am in favor of this course, although this is coming at a price of rupees 500. I'm sure that the as the price fluctuates, it goes to as low as rupees 400. So keep an eye on it. The last recommendation is on learning and development by HRCI on Coursera. This course also has a good amount of content, approximately 15 hours written here, but I think you can easily finish it in 6 to 7 hours. So the modules that I really liked about this course were on structure and design of learning. So it has ADDIE model, Bloom's taxonomy, Kirkpatrick model, and different types of training that are applied is included here. I am also happy to see that evaluation techniques are also included in this course. But the only downside of this course is that it comes at a price of about 1000 rupees, which not everyone would like to spend. So this is a lower recommendation from my side, but then the first two, that is recruitment and selection and HR analytics, are my top two courses that I would like you to do. In the meanwhile, in case I find other courses, I'll do update them and make a video on it. Any queries and for any questions, you can always reach me out. That is all in this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.